Hi, and welcome to another episode of Know Your Hair by HADDAI. In this episode, I'd like to cover what are hair extensions. Lots of people think hair extensions are what you can use to cover the crown area of your hair, or what are hair extensions actually? So, hair extensions are basically used to create length and volume. So, say your hair is thinning out, or there's very little hair volume, and you want to increase that, and you have, for example, shoulder length hair and you want to increase it to example of waist length or hip length hair. All this is possible by the use of hair extensions. Now there are various type of hair extensions, and I'm going to cover 4 in this episode today. We will show how you attach these extensions in more episodes as we go along, but generally, to give you a brief idea of what these extensions are, I'm hoping to cover that in this program today. So this first of all is clip-on extensions. So these are these clips that you can sort of put onto your hair. It's more or less like this is all human hair, by the way. So with clip-on extensions, it's more for, say, if you have to go for a function and you need something in a jiffy. So the best thing to go for is for clip-on extensions. This is a body wave hair that we have here, and usually in a pack you get 8 pieces in different sizes coming. So you can attach it to the sides, to the back, to add volume wherever you want. And clip-on extensions is a super way if you need it immediately. Say you want to go for a party or a function and you don't have time to go to the hairdressers, you can easily install these at home by yourself. So clip-on extensions sort of mostly worn for occasions and things like that. You can take it off when you want, and you can put it on when you feel like it for a function or event that you're going for. And it just takes about maybe maximum 10 minutes for you to do your whole head of hair. So it's a very easy method, one that you can do at home. The next one I want to show is tape extensions. These are tape extensions. So with these extensions, what we do is it's taped into your hair. They're very light. You don't even know you have them in after a couple of hours. And it's ideal for people with thinning or less hair, because the tapes definitely don't show and it's made out of hair. So you can use it to bring in length and volume again, from shoulder length to hip length, whatever you want, and it has to match your own hair obviously. But tape-ins again are seamless. It's like you don't, if somebody even feels your head or your hair, no one will be able to tell that you have these tape-in extensions installed in your hair. The next one we are going to show is another very popular method these days called nano extensions. These are nano extensions. I wonder whether you can see there are these little clips at the top of the thing here, which is inserted into your hair. Again, there are say we normally use 130 to 150 grams. You can even use more than that of this hair, and these also installed with a small bead which is called nano ring here, and it is put into your hair. You cannot do this at home. You need to meet a qualified hair technician who will do it for you. It approximately takes about 2.5 hours to install, and these are more permanent hair extensions. So you will keep this in your hair until your hair starts to grow, and in time when it comes for a refixing. The fourth method, which has popularly and widely used in Sri Lanka, but we don't use this method that much anymore, which is called micro rings, because it is uncomfortable. You can see that there are these pieces here, and these pieces again 150 to about 150 grams are installed into your hair with a micro bead, which is a much larger bead, as you can see here, than the nano extension. So micro ring is a larger bead. The piece that is attached to your hair is larger, so a lot of people find that it is uncomfortable to wear. And so whilst it is used a lot here in Sri Lanka, there are more better methods like nano rings, micro loops, and various things which are more newer methods, and which I will cover in other episodes as well, where it is a seamless thing. You don't even tape in, you don't even feel that it is in your hair. So each one has its own merits, and especially at HADDAI we use a lot of nano ring and tape in and loop methods, because those are very comfortable. You don't have to go in for any extra care about it. It doesn't hurt you. It's not uncomfortable to wear. So whereas micro rings, we find that a lot of people, though it is used a lot, that a lot of people have complaints when it comes to the comfort factor in it. Otherwise, all hair is human hair. Again, micro rings and nano rings all have to be done by a hair technician. The only method that you can do at home when it comes to hair extension is a clip-on hair extension. So the rest of the methods which I covered today, which are nano, micro and tape-in hair extensions, have to be done by a hair technician, a qualified hair technician. So I hope this was useful to you. We will show you how to attach these, how they're done, all of that in our future episodes. We'll cover all of this for you. But just to give you an idea as to what are the most popular hair methods, these are just 4 of it. I'll cover more in a future episode. Thank you for watching. Hope this was helpful. Until we meet again, stay blessed. Bye.